Hi, this is Paulo from support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to send reminder emails using Sendinblue or Brevo. From the dashboard, open your timeline. By default, you'll be redirected to the page where you can create timeline actions. Click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. I already created this one in advance, so I'll just open that one up. I set it to trigger 5 minutes before the webinar starts. As you can see here, it is set on the event date, 5 minutes before the webinar starts. For the Who section, I targeted registrants. For the What section, from this drop-down, I selected Sendinblue, also known now as Brevo. From here, just click on Edit to open up the email editor. As you can see here, you just have to enter the email address of the sender's name, the email subject, and the body of the email. You'll notice here that I have personalization values. This one will pull the first name of the registrant, and this one will pull the unique join URL for each registrant. To get these personalization values, just click on the personalization icon. For the first name, it's under subscriber, it's this one. For the join URL, it's this one. Once you select those, these personalization values will be included in the email. Aside from the personalization values, you can also include emojis. To include emojis on your email, you just have to click on the emoji or the smiley icon from here. I just included a simple emoji, but you can, of course, select any emojis you want. Once you're satisfied, you just have to click on Save Email. Once that is saved, don't forget to click on Create to save all your changes. In this case, it's showing Update Action because I prepared the action in advance. If you are creating the action for the first time, this button here will show Create. Once you click on Create, the email is ready to be sent 5 minutes before your webinar starts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.